Are you cold? And you need to work, right? I have an idea. So today we are making coffee buzzed hot chocolate. You need 1 spoon of ground coffee. If you don't have ground coffee, instant coffee works great. And if you have ground coffee, you can go ahead and brew that or just mix your instant coffee with hot water. And while that is brewing, mix my instant hot cocoa in hot water. And I'm going to do that in about 1/4 cup of water. Remember, we have 1 cup, so we want to maximize our water quantity. And so after doing that, oops, I made a mess. After that, you're going to stir and then add your hot coffee to your cocoa mix and add your creamer or milk, whatever you like, till the cup is almost full, not too full. And then after that, you go ahead, and this is optional, garnish with marshmallow. I love this. This was so yummy, guys. I finished this cup before I finished filming. So I'm garnishing also with shaved chocolate. This is completely optional. If you don't have it, no problem. And of course, we have to take 1 for the gram. If you are not following me yet, please follow me on Instagram and you'll see most of my amazing food pictures. Thank you for watching this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.